Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to another video. Now in this video we are going to be playing Whack Your Boss. So let's go ahead and get started. So what you do in Whack Your Boss is you want to whack and kill your boss because he's annoying. So let's see what we need. I don't really understand what to do. And this game may have lots of ads, just to let you know, because games like this have ads. So just to have you guys aware of this. So alright. Whack Your Boss. Alright, so let's go ahead and get started on playing it. Oh, what are we doing to my boss here? I got blood. Whoa, what are you doing to my boss? Alright, what else do we have to do to my boss? Alright, now what else do we do? Oh! It's funny. What am I doing here? Whoa, I'm killing my boss. I feel bad for the boss, but at the same time, it's funny. Cleaner? Cleaner? Okay. Alright, Mom. Really? Alright. What am I doing to my boss here? Poor boss. I feel bad for him. Sorry, boss. I did not mean to whack you. Alright, guys. Let's get back into it now. Alright, guys. So. Alright, what do we have next? Stapler. What's the stapler do? Oh. Seriously, dude, this is cool. Okay, what else do I have? Cleaner. Telephone. No. Oh, really? Oh, I'm killing my boss. What am I even doing to my boss here? Cleaner. No, get out of here. Oh, okay, yeah, that's great. An ad. Yeah, that's right. Okay, what can we do? Oh, ruler. What's that do? Okay, now I get what that does. What that does. Cleaner. Alright, now what else do you have? Let's use that. Okay. Okay, what is he gonna do? Oh, he's gonna take his foot. Ooh! He's electrocuting his foot. What the heck? Oh my gosh. Now that's funny. Okay, who is that guy? You're wrong. Sorry, but you're wrong. See, I told you that you're the one that's wrong. No. I'm gonna keep whacking you with that clock, boy. All right, let's clean that up. Don't want to leave my boss. Can I take it? This is a really funny game, guys. Oh yeah, you're fired now. I'm not fired. You're fired, boss. You're not my boss anymore because you're fired. I better clean that up before I get in trouble. Let's clean that up now. All right, I don't know what is up with that here. I don't really. You're wrong. Oh yeah, keep attacking my boss. That'll teach you to stop. Yeah, you teach him, dude. Alright, let's clean that up now. Alright, guys, okay, let's do one more before I end the video here. Then, yeah. Wrong, okay. Take the computer, punk. Yeah, that's right. I'm the boss. You just got owned. What is with this? My boss keeps getting owned by me. Ugh, what happened now? Oh. Keep whacking him, dude. Keep whacking him. Okay, so I'm supposed to do that to my boss as well. Okay, now I get what I'm also supposed to do to my boss also. I'm obsessed with attacking my boss now. I'm obsessed with it. I'm obsessed with whacking my boss now. Where's that old lightsaber? The thing. I'm obsessed with whacking my boss now. Here I'm whacking my boss. My boss is this chair. There we go. I just whacked my boss. My boss is this chair and I'm sitting in him. Alright guys, let's clean this up now. You're wrong. Oh, can I do the bunny yet? Oh, get him with the stapler. Okay, I'm sick of the stapler. And you stapled his face, didn't you? Yup, I imagined that. Cleaner, please. There you go. Thank you, sir. Ugh, my boss is coming back again. What am I? Alright. That's it. Well, guys, alright. That is it. That is so it. Well, I think I'm gonna end the video here, guys. So, if you guys enjoyed this video, then be sure to smack that like button, and if you haven't already, subscribe and be sure to hit that notification bell so that you get notified whenever I upload a new video. And as always, I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye. Now I can finish off my boss now. Now. Ow, ow. Oh, 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 oh. That's right, boss. Keep hitting it. There we go. Let's shut this off now. Ah.